let's go ahead and move on to algebra. So you said just kind of like basic algebra? Oh, I'm gonna show you one thing.
I really like, it can be in general, like fractions and all that. I really want to practice the exponents in the parentheses and outside the parentheses. It's like combining like terms, like how they have the letters together with the parentheses inside and outside.
Okay, so combining like terms. All right, so let me start setting that up for us. So for those of you who are new, I'm going to go ahead and kind of give you a quick basic rundown of how to combine like terms when it comes to algebra. So algebra, we know, is when we use letters to represent things that are unknown, like x. And most of the time we're simplifying x or solving for x. Now, sometimes we'll be given a question where we have to do something called combining like terms. And basically what that means is you are putting together everything that can go together and making it simple. So for example, if we have x plus x, we can add these up and they will equal 2x, okay? If we have x plus 3x, 1 plus 3 gives us 4x. When we're adding x's or subtracting them, let's say we have 5x minus 2x, that gives us 3x, okay? So when we're adding and subtracting, what we're doing is the number in the front is what gets added and subtracted. Now, if we have something like this, we cannot combine these together. They stayed just like that. And the reason for that is because this has an exponent of 2 and this has an exponent of 1. Whenever we have like nothing there, that means there's an invisible 1 there, okay? So, okay, so what that means is when we're faced with, hold on a second, sorry. When we're faced with this, let's say we have 3x squared plus 2x plus x squared, what we want to do is we want to combine the ones that have the same exponents and the same variables, exactly the same. So here we have 3 plus 1, that gives us 4x squared. Notice that the variable stays the same and the exponent stays the same. It doesn't change. All we're doing is adding the numbers in the front, okay? And that's 4x squared plus 2x. The 2x stays the same because there's nothing to add it to, okay? All right, any questions? Okay, all right, good. So let's see what that looks like. So we have 5x squared minus 2x plus x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 4x plus 2. Okay. So here, we're going to combine everything that's the same. We're going to start off with x squared. So 5 plus 1, right, like just x squared, is 6x squared. So now we have negative 2x minus 6x, that's negative 8x, minus 4x, negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12x. Okay, and then we have 9 plus 2, that's 11. Okay, any questions?
No.
You guys ready to try one?
Yeah, we can try.
Okay. So we'll start with these basic ones and then I'll show you guys how these level up, okay? Let's start with 3.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Can we also, if we have time, can we also practice elimination too?
Okay. All right, give that one a go, you guys. Let me know when you're ready.
Oh.
I'm ready.
Okay, perfect. Does anybody need more time?
Yes, me, please.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So we start with the x squareds, right? So 3x squared minus x squared gives us 2x squared plus 2x minus 5x. That gives us -3 minus 8. That gives us -11. And then +7 minus 6 is just +1.
Yeah.
How did we do? Any questions?
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now, sometimes these can look like this. 5x squared y plus 2xy minus 3x squared y minus 4xy minus 3xy squared. Okay, so with this, what we're looking for is the exact combination. X squared y, x squared y, okay? So it just looks more complicated. You just have to be a little more careful with these, all right? So this is 5 minus 3, 2x squared y. We'll do 2xy minus 4xy. 2 minus 4 is -2xy. And then minus 3xy squared is by itself.
Right.
Technically, we would have to switch these two, like they'd be in a different order, but that is okay. I'm just going to leave it like that for the sake of doing it. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions about this one?
Is this then already just solved? Is this like the solving right now? This is simplifying.
It's the same thing.
Okay.
So the way, okay, so let me explain that a little bit better. It's not the same thing. This would be simplify.
Okay.
Whenever it tells us to solve for x, it's going
Okay.
to have an equal sign.
Okay.
This does not have an equal sign. It's just simplifying. Do you
Okay.
see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.